Ayan, magno-no rice na naman po tayo ngayon. Ito lang ang ating dinner for today. Ayan, french fries, yung ating steak. Ayan, yung ating steak at yung ating mixed vegetable. At syempre yung ating salad, veggie salad. Ayan. Yan po ang aming dinner for today. No rice po tayo. Ayan. Ito po yung ating buttered mixed vegetable. At syempre meron tayong moringa wine. Ayan. Mag-wine po tayo dahil meron po tayong meat. Meron tayong steak. Kaya need nating uminom ng konting wine. Ayan po yung aming dinner for today. Ayan. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Ayan. Ayan yung ating buttered mixed vegetable.